Hi, families. It's just me. I will show you how to access the work for today. So once you log into Clever, go here to Savvis Easy Bridge and click here. And then your students will look a little different from mine, but if you click this right here for Reading Street, there's actually, on accident, I created two assignments and I don't know how to delete them. So we're all learning together. So here's the online student edition. It brings up the same book that they have in their desks. And so here we go. If we click on online student edition, and then we just worked on pages 64 to 67 in class today. We went through it pretty quickly, so we'll be doing a review tomorrow. So you can scroll through here and talk about the pictures. There's some really great guiding questions to talk about. So if we look here, there's page 64. So have students find 5 things in the picture that start with the F sound, and just kind of look here at these prompts and go through that. And then here we can read through the words we can blend. These are our sight words for the week in these sentences. And that should be enough for today.